Special counsel Jack Smith is still upset that Judge Aileen Cannon denied his confidentiality request for Mar-a-Lago papers. Witnesses Law and Crime reported that Smith's team filed a court document late Wednesday warning Cannon that it would appeal if she did not rescind her earlier ruling requiring. Witness names Smith called Cannon's earlier, finding a clear error that risked harass and intimidating witnesses. Smith specifically disputed Cannon's earlier ruling that discovery material subject to a protective order cannot be shielded from public disclosure absent a heightened First Amendment showing of a compelling interest and narrow tailoring, calling it manifest injustice to the witnesses. The court found that the government was required but failed to satisfy a heightened First Amendment burden to shield from public revelation materials under a protected order due to such procedural and substantive mistakes. Smith said whatever the court's reasoning that determination was wrong, and the defendant's argument doesn't show otherwise. Smith asked Cannon to approve his proposed redactions and sealing, and threatened to appeal if she did not. Cannon set the trial for May 20, 2024, rejecting prosecutors' March 4 date and the Trump team's request for a date after the next presidential election. Her Solomonic ruling balanced the government's claim that the public interest requires a swift trial with the Trump side's claim that its complex case needs more time. The special counsel has proven that defendants in a DA and Allah's personal perusal of classified discovery information would not be relevant and useful to their defense. Cannon said after months of litigation over secret materials, the decision was made. The FBI found thousands of federal records, including over 100 classified at Trump's Mar-a-Lago home in August 2022. Judge Cannon heard Trump's civil complaint to halt the inquiry in a contentious September order. Cannon approved Trump's request to appoint a special master to evaluate the seized information to ensure at least the appearance of fairness. However, the 11th Circuit rejected significant aspects of her decision, allowing the Justice Department to begin its criminal probe. The investigation changed in November when Attorney General Merrick Garland hired veteran prosecutor Jack Smith, a special counsel, to supervise the paper's inquiry. And a separate January 6 investigation, unlike the charges brought against defendant Trump. The document-related charges against defendants and ADA and OLA do not require proof that they willfully retain documents relating to the national defense. The special counsel also stated that he will not present evidence that defendants, NADA and OLA, acted with an inculpatory purpose specific to them, and the 102 classified marked documents discovered at Mar-a-Lago. Cannon added Smith's team indicted Trump for obstruction and mishandling classified records last month. Smith's prosecutors argued last week that the public interest in a speedy trial was justified by the case's rarity at Cannon's pre-trial hearing. However, Trump's attorneys claimed the massive materials needed additional time. Cannon dismissed the government's request for a December trial start on Friday, saying it wouldn't give Trump's team to prepare for the complex classified data issues. However, she rejected the Trump side's idea for a date after the 2024 election as harmful to the public. Her scheduling order is critical to the long-running probe. Trump is the GOP frontrunner for 2024, so the trial scheduling may affect him. An acquittal before the primary might boost his electoral prospects, while a conviction could ruin them. Some legal experts called Cannon's data sensible compromise, but others said it allowed excessive delay. Prosecutors may appeal May 20.